What is good, YouTube? It's your man Swint Nation back again with another video. And today, I'm working on something different today. I'm not working on darkness. Today, we'll be working on the Model Y Juniper. And as you probably seen from the title of the video, I'm installing some carbon fiber rain guards. That's right. I have an addiction to carbon fiber, but I already have it on one side. And I want to show y'all because I was very hesitant if I was going to install it. Check this out. So I did it on one side. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. That's right. I'm showing you the product before the install already pre-done. But as you see, that carbon fiber looks good, man. And it already kind of matches the mud flaps as well as the spoiler. So it all ties in very nicely together, as you can see. Very quick and easy install. Show you guys what that looks like from a distance. I was worried about it sticking out really far from the car. And as you see, the profile of it is very slim. Very slim. And here's the side without the carbon fiber. No rain guards. Rain guards. So as you see, very slim profile. All right, let's get these rain guards installed. So first thing we're gonna do is use the adhesion promoter. I've already cleaned the car. Ooh, that's bright. I've already cleaned the car, so I'm gonna do this multiple times. Flip this thing over just to make sure. Yeah, this has to be the easiest install, y'all. And then next thing you wanna do is get your back piece. When you're installing these, is make sure you get a rear piece, and it'll have like this little tab right here. That's how you know it's the rear. And honestly, it won't fit right if you got the wrong side, so you can't really mess it up. But let's put this on. Whew. Now what I'm gonna do is just peel one side. I'm gonna just peel one side first, get it showing, and then peel the other side. If I can get to it. Ugh. Cut my nails, there we go. All right, and then you wanna make sure these strips are facing up, and then you're gonna line up the back piece as best you can. Lining up the back piece. I feel like, there we go. And then I'm gonna do the front piece, and then make sure that looks about eyeball correct. And then you're gonna take your strip here, kind of hold it, make sure this stays lined up, and then just take your time and peel it. You don't want to go too fast because you could rip this, and then this will defeat the purpose. And then it'll get tight towards the end, and then you make sure it's how you want it before you apply the initial pressure. And to me that looks good, so I'm gonna just do just a little swipe. I'm not gonna apply all the pressure yet because I want to get the front piece on and make sure it's lined up. And keep in mind, I'm in colder climates, so I had to wait for it to get a little hotter outside before I applied this, because it's recommended that you use adhesive when you try to mount stuff with adhesive to be at least 50 degrees Fahrenheit, at least minimum, and it's been cold, but we're at 80 today. Boom. There we go, my piece got stuck. And then I'm just going to pull it and kind of just press as I go and push up on there just so it's sitting where I want it to sit. And then that should be flush. Now, if everything looks good, you can go down and apply your pressure. And you should be good to go. And I'm gonna go through it again and just do one more press, but just go slow and take my time. But yeah, that carbon fiber, man, it is popping. It is popping. All right, y'all. Now, if you want to get your hands on these carbon fiber rain guards and you want a discount, use code SWINT. I'll post a link down below. Don't pay full price, especially when you get a discount. Like I said, use code SWINT, and yeah, man, save yourself a little bit of money. So right here in this clip, I want to show you real quick that I have my windows vented. That way you can kind of see, even with the rain guards, it's really hard to tell that I do have my windows vented. And that was a real big reason why I wanted to put these rain guards on, because it gets really hot in this car in the summertime. I mean, it was 60 degrees one day and my car was like 95 degrees inside. And that was when it was like 60 degrees out. So as you can see, it covers them nicely.